Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva to Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs document and navigate to the Add-ons menu. Search for and install the free Canva add-on. Once installed, you can easily create new designs or insert existing ones from your Canva account directly into your document. This integration allows for quick visual enhancements and keeps your workflow smooth, saving you valuable time. Another straightforward method involves exporting your designs from Canva. Once your design is complete, simply click the Share button and select Download. You can choose from several file types, such as a high-quality PNG image or a standard PDF document. After downloading, open your Google Doc, go to Insert, and then upload the file from your computer. It's a simple two-step process. For a more integrated approach, leverage Google Drive. In Canva, you can choose to save your designs directly to your Google Drive. This creates a central hub for all your creative assets. Then, when you are in Google Docs, you can easily insert images or files directly from your Google Drive. This method helps keep your documents and designs perfectly synchronized across both platforms. Connecting Canva to Google Docs significantly enhances your document's visual appeal, making your content more engaging. This integration streamlines your workflow, reducing the need to switch between multiple applications. For even greater efficiency, consider using automation tools like Zapier or Make. These can automatically update your Google Docs with new Canva designs, saving you dozens of minutes each week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.